Hey y'all, we're back in the bathroom today. I didn't get too much further along without you. Got a little bit of vapor barrier in, but today we're gonna finish up this vapor barrier, and as everything goes well, I'm going to sheetrock the ceiling and get Miss Crystal's shower surround put in place.
Woohoo! I'm so excited!
Honey, can you come give me a hand?
Yes?
You're on candid camera.
What do you need me to do?
You ready to become a sheetrocker?
No. Definitely.
No?
No.
What
Nope.
do you know?
Nope, I'm out. No, I'm teasing.
Okay, no bathroom for you.
Okay, what do you need?
You are gonna hold this sheet up there while I screw it.
Perfect. Yeah. All right. Go get the muscles.
That's it?
What do you mean that's it?
All right.
Yeah. All right, let's do it.
Okay, here's what you got.
Okay.
This is
It's
the
a
magic.
pusher stick thing.
Yep. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna lift that sheet up there, and then you're gonna take this little T-brace and you're gonna go doink, and you're gonna put it up underneath and it'll hold it there.
And neither of us are going to die.
That's the idea.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
What's the matter?
Nothing.
Yeah? You got this?
Not really.
Piece of cake?
Yeah. I'm gonna be in your way.
You're never in my way, baby.
You're a nice man. I can help hold it up so you can get it up there in the right place.
Okay.
Okay. It's all you. I gotta let go now to go get the stick thing. How about you get underneath it?
Okay, go get your stick thing.
You got it?
Yeah.
It's
Somebody's got somebody.
okay. Okay. I don't know
You
what
got
to
your
do.
stick thing?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm terrified of this right now.
Okay. Oh. Go stick that underneath there.
What you doing?
Hi.
Hi.
I can't surprise you if you come out and start videoing me.
Yeah?
I guess I'm not too sneaky with the tractor running there.
No, I'm like, oh, that tractor's running. He's digging out my shower. I knew exactly what was happening. Don't drop it, okay?
If I start swearing, then we need to buy a new shower, okay?
Oh, no. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We didn't exactly buy that one.
Nope, we didn't.
Nope, $3.99.
I mean, it's got a couple little cracks, but up where we don't care about it. Free 99.
Oh, don't die.
That thing was coming for me.
I see that.
Bye-bye.
Oh, yeah, I expect it to be way dirtier than that from being outside for so long.
I thought it'd be taller.
I thought it'd be taller.
I don't know. It just
Oh
sounded
my
like it'd be
gosh, you're funny. Everybody's tall to us.
I know it.
Yeah. Well, I guess I better get that scrubbed out if I want you to get it in the house, huh?
Chippity chop.
Yeah, chippity chop. Okay, show me the update.
Look at, this is where your shower is going to be.
Wow. That like splits the wall. Before it was like way over by the window.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's
This
going to
wall
be so
moved
cool.
1 foot 4 inches over.
Am I going to have enough room for a towel pantry?
It'll be skinny, but heck yeah, we will.
Okay, awesome. Cool. You got the light back in.
Yep. Papa.
Awesome. Thanks, honey. All right, Mr. Reeve, I got a proposition for you.
Oh?
If you clean that surround out rather than me, how about I make dinner?
What you making?
Pork medallions wrapped in bacon and fried apples.
Deal.
Okay. Hey!
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm cutting a hole in the floor.
Why?
Shower's got drained somewhere.
Oh, okay. Look it.
Yeah. Look at.
So cool.
He's chopping up everything you already built.
I know. What are you doing? Carry on.
No, yes, ma'am. Well, Miss Crystal said that if I clean this thing out, then she's going to make pork medallions for dinner. I know a good deal when I see one. I better get to work. Holy mama. Well, Miss Crystal said I didn't have to get it perfect. I just had to get it to the point where we could finish cleaning it up inside. I think as far as a rough clean, this looks pretty good. Let's get it rinsed out and we'll get it inside. Yucky. I think that'll do it for now.
The shower's not going to fit with the door hinges?
Nope, it's
Alright.
a squeeze.
Uh-oh.
This is why people put in their tub surrounds while they're still framing stuff.
Before they have walls.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hooey
Second
mama.
throw to the right, straight on till morning.
Exactly.
Okay, here we go.
Look at do.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm ready. You ready?
Yep. Hold on. No, okay.
You okay?
Yeah, I just don't want my fingers to get smashed.
Yeah, watch your fingers on the left.
Yeah.
Hooey mama.
Now turn it around.
Yeah, now turn it 360 degrees. Put your left foot in, shake it all about. Now we just have to turn it to where it's facing the right direction.
Okay.
You excited?
Yes.
I'm excited.
It's so cool.
All right, let's keep turning.
Okay. Keep turning. That's the easy part. Turn is easy.
Turn around.
Every night and day. Something
Now
like
and
that.
then.
Oh. Now and
You've
then?
been singing that
I get a
wrong
little
this
bit
whole
closer?
time, huh? Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, probably I've been singing it wrong. Like Footloose, going on the whole wheat track.
Okay.
You know that's the words. That's just
Oh,
Mr. Tom.
okay,
He probably
so-
knows. You know, Jack, get back, jump on the whole wheat track. You know that's how it goes.
Okay.
Do you know the words?
No, but I'm fairly confident it's not whole wheat.
Yeah. Jack, get back, jump on the whole wheat track. You know. Loose, foot loose. You know.
Oh my gosh.
That's the
Oh.
that's the lyrics, boss.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. I don't know if I can fit over there.
Okay, come on.
I'm old and fat.
No dinner for you. Oh, okay.
See, I told you. I don't fit.
Yes, dear. You'll be on that side.
Why?
That way, when you poke the vapor barrier with the top of the shower, it's your fault.
No, I'm still gonna blame you no matter what.
No, you won't. Oh,
Whoa.
yeah, sassy.
What are you groaning for? I'm doing all the work.
What? There we go. Is it gonna fit?
I sure hope so.
I sure hope so too, because I got no room on this side.
All right. It's because it's.
I need to go like, owie.
Oh.
That's okay. That's what happens when you move appliances or whatever this thing's called in your slippers.
Whatever this thing's called.
What's it
You
called?
are wearing your slippers. This is a shower surround.
Oh yeah, I know that, but what's its umbrella term?
I don't know. It's
A
not.
bathroom fixture.
Yeah, but that's not like
Oh.
cool sounding.
Oh,
Because people think bathroom fixtures and they think like a faucet.
Toilet
Like,
paper
okay,
holder,
so
yeah.
you moved a toilet paper holder in your slippers. So what?
right.
Doesn't make you sound nearly as cool.
Well, what makes me sound cool?
Being married to me.
Oh. There you go.
Did you like that?
You win.
Bam.
Ooh, careful. We gotta kind of pivot it this
Hey,
way.
stop.
I'm stopping.
You're ruining everything.
You left the vapor barrier on the ground for it to
I
get
told
torn.
you. I'm gonna blame you.
Okay.
Okay,
So
you
we
pick
need
it
to-
up and walk it back, and I'll
Okay.
direct you.
Got it. Mark it, set, go. We got it. We're doing it.
Ouch. Every time I pass the stud, I can't push it.
Here we go.
There it is! Yay!
Oh my gosh.
It's real! And there's a hole underneath the hole. That's good.
Yeah, that's
That's
good.
a plus.
Wow. Oh
Bye-bye.
my gosh. And your faucety thing is not where a stud is going to be.
Nope.
So that's good. Okay.
All right. Yay.
Thanks, honey.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to get this finished up and secured in there.
And I'm going to go make dinner.
I love this plan.
There you go. See if you got a good deal.
Yeah? I've got you. I know I got a good deal.
You're a nice husband.
Oh my gosh, I forgot you were going to make these fancy apples. Wow. What'd you do to them?
Put them in a pan. Cooked them with bacon grease and cinnamon.
Just cinnamon.
Can't go wrong there.
It came out as like this sweet, savory deal. Yeah. Bacon. I think I won in this deal. All I did was clean a shower.
I'm glad you're happy.